Okay, now they're talking about the question number 5. This is with logarithms. In the logarithms, what we can see is, in this question they have that, so a is a positive constant, so these are variables where you can chop the other ones off. So in the simplest form, an expression for x in terms of a. Okay, in this equation, let me subtract this, which I'm gonna have log a to the power 27 minus log a to the power 3 minus 1. So I'll just give the minus 1 as it is. Here I can write log a to the power 27 minus 3, which means 27 divided by 3 minus 1. So that means log a to the power 9 minus 1. So we know we can easily get this answer, right? This is 9 actually. Now fine, now this is a little bit simplified version, but you can further simplify, because this side we have a log a to the power x. So we can write the 1. What is 1? 1 would be log a to the power a, because a to the power 1 is a. So okay, this one also we can write minus as log a to the power a, and this is log a to the power x. The reason I'm taking into 1 is then I can cut the log a out, which is 9 minus a. This side it's log a x. So now the both sides log a is there. So what I can do is I can actually, we don't call it a cross things off, but anyway the arguments must be same, since the log value is, the base is the same. So we can write, from here we can write x equals 9 divided by a. So what they're asking is write the x in terms of a. So x equals 9 divided by a. So we have that answer here. Good. Now the second part is solve the equations. Okay, this is also quite going close to the other one, but they're asking to solve the equation, so I think there is no space because it moves to the next question. So let me add a blank page here. Okay, so the answer question is log 5 to the power y whole thing squared minus 7 times log 5 to the power y plus 12 equals 0. We have to solve this equation. So before we move anything forward, I would like to see log 5y is gonna be maybe any variable. Let me put t there. So we know we can substitute here. So it's like 5 to the power t is y. I'm just writing it so my easiness. So when I'm when I'm substituting t in that place, it's t squared minus 7t plus 12 equals 0. Okay, this equation is pretty straightforward. We can just take it like this. So we know one side would be t negative 3 equals 0, or t negative 4 equals 0. So literally t is 3 or t equals 4. Okay, now let's substitute back what we have, because we just named it a t because it will make our life easy. So log 5 to the power y equals 3. The other one is log 5 to the power y equals 4. So here what do they say is 5 to the power 3 is y, where you can see y is gonna be 125. Here they're gonna say 5 to the power 4 is y. In this case 5 is gonna be 625. Now do they really tell us anything to do anything else? No, they just ask us to solve the equation. This equation has two answers, which is y is this and the y is the other one. So this is the Roman number 1 and this is the Roman number 2. Okay, thank you.